My fellow Singaporeans, today I want to expose some farting and very low-graded lawyers in Singapore who have been fooling us like a silly Ferris wheel. If you are Singaporeans, listen up. And if you are not or you are Malaysian, better open your farting ears and stop farting in Singapore. For the 13 drivers who are suing the SBS Transit, they are indeed very ungrateful and is indeed an umbrage. Firstly, do they know who they are? And secondly, why should Singaporeans help them in their crowdfunding to pay for their farting legal fee? They are Malaysians and not even permanent residents who are holding blue cards or whatever. They just park themselves in Singapore, making use of Singapore to earn money and go back to where they fart from. And now they want to sue the company who have been feeding them and they are farting asking for compensation. They came to Singapore and work, yet still not happy and now want to fart trouble in Singapore by suing SBS Transit. This ridiculous and gangsterism. They should fart themselves lucky for having the opportunity to work and earn in Singapore. What they have been earning is at least 3 times more than in their home country. 3 times more. In Singapore, they could get at least 9,000 ringgit, but in their own country, only 3,000 ringgit. Now they want to sue the company, totally farting ungrateful. Moreover, if they were in Malaysia, those employers over there are farting their workers like some kind of toilet farting paper. Malaysian companies don't care about their workers, do not give them a fart or welfare, but only fart them to work miserably for their farting miserable pay. And if you want to fart them in court, it's totally impossible, unlike Singapore. So why should they complain and sue SBS Transit? Don't they know there are foreigners who want to work in Singapore, yet it's so difficult for them to come here? After getting money from the crowdfunding to pay for their legal fee, those 13 ex-employees want to fart SBS Transit? Are they greedy or their farting is not enough? What does this have to do with Singaporeans? Shouldn't they ask their own Malaysians for help instead? See whether the Malaysia are as no brain as some Singaporeans here. The Malaysian won't give a fuck of them. Only certain Singaporeans tend to be more fucked up. Why make use of Singaporeans to support them? That is their own farting case and they should bear the farting cost. Why ask for crowdfunding? Obviously, they are making use of Singaporeans. They are parked here, they get as much money as possible here and then go back to Malaysia to enjoy their farting. They are only here in Singapore as free riders and they don't care about anyone but just want to fart around in Singapore. Does Singapore owe them a living? Moreover, they dare to ask for crowdfunding for their legal fee and give the money to a clown who become their lawyer. Then after taking the money, that clown suddenly withdrew the case. That clown literally took the money and went off. Then the worst part is it was transferred from one clown to another clown to continue their case. Then what's next? Asking for another crowdfunding and taking money from Singaporeans with another fucking reason to support them again? Do you know why the drivers are using those clowns instead of some proper lawyers to handle their case? The reason is very obvious. That's because no good lawyers want to take their farting case beside those farting clowns from the farting opposition. No good lawyers will take the case because it's bound to lose. Instead, they will advise them to settle the case peacefully with SBS Transit without going through the court. Hence, only those 2 clowns will take the farting case. They don't care whether they win or lose as long as there's some money for them. They also don't care where the money comes from. If they win the case, they get the money. If they lose, they get the money too. One way or another, they still get the farting money. They don't care about losing because it doesn't mean anything to them as long as there's money coming into their own farting pockets. Even how a chicken fart a dog, they will take the case too. And this is why we always see them losing their cases one after another and non-stop. And some Singaporeans are still lacking the intelligence to keep on supporting them in the crowdfunding they're asking for. So in the end, who benefits? Not the bus drivers because they are just trying their luck to claim for more money. The benefits goes to the 2 clowns who are making use of Singaporeans for their crowdfunding. My point is, a good lawyer will not jump in to fight a losing case but will advise their clients what to do before considering any legal proceedings. Only bad lawyers will fart. Remember, subscribe, like, share. Ciao.